it could last. I've seen the wasteland of these empty words. This life is a battle, would not I'm alright in hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight. It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need. I need escape from this debris, carefree.
We'll be right back.